Hello friends, today we're going to learn how to make the increase and decrease in Amigurumi. And first of all, we are going to start from a magic ring. So in this magic ring, we're going to make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is a round 1, and in the round 2 we are going to make increase in each stitch around. So let's make 1 single crochet in the next stitch and make another single crochet in the same stitch. This is your increase. Increase means 2 stitches in 1 stitch. And let me mark the first stitch of the second round so later we can have a better look. Okay, this is the first stitch. In the second stitch, we're going to make another increase, which is 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. Okay, another increase. 1. As you can see, we are making increase in each stitch around. In the 5th stitch, increase the last one. So here you can see we are making 2 single crochet in 1 stitch around, total of 6 increases and total of 12 stitches around. So this is how you increase in amigurumi. Okay, this is round 2, round 1, round 2. We are going to round 3. Let's keep increasing. Round 3, we're going to make another increase and then keep going. Increase means you make 2 stitches in 1 stitch. That's the increase. Now we're going to learn how to decrease the stitches. Making decrease means you're going to merge 2 stitches into 1 stitch. So simply insert your hook like you make a single crochet, yarn over, pull through the first stitch, and then insert the hook into the next one, yarn over again, pull through the loop, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. And now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through all 3. This is the decrease. You just merge 2 stitches into 1. Let's do it again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through all 3. This is your second decrease. Okay, again, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. You have 2 loops on your hook now. Insert to the next stitch again, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. This is your third decrease. Keep making the decrease. I'll meet you at the end of this round. Okay, this is the last one. Okay. See, you're kind of closing the whole piece and you're making decrease around. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and for more amigurumi tutorial for beginners, you're very welcome to check out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.